Hey everyone, I'm just going to give you a quick tip on how to do ball joints on a BA Falcon, Ford Falcon. Everything's loosened off just so I can show nice and quick. First, caliper, bracket, rotor, you need to take your wheel speed sensor out, tie rod, then you've got your ball joint. Undo this nut, smack here with a hammer as hard as you can, eventually that'll come loose. Then simply lift off. Ball joint press, available at Super Cheap Auto. This is where the ball joint will go once it's out, and this is what you need to turn to get it out. Crack that up. And out it comes. That was already loose before.
Nice and easy.
Simple. Here's a new ball joint. I'm going to set this up in the press and show you how to press it back in. Ball joint is there facing up. This with a hole in the top to allow threaded part of the joint to come through. Screwing in on the press, pushing ball joint up in. It's not perfect because this isn't a Ford Falcon ball joint press tool, but it does the job. Hopefully that was quick and simple enough to help you understand a bit more what you've got to do and the kind of tool that you'll need. Something like this. All the nuts and bolts are different sizes, 15s, 13s, 8s. So you will just need different sockets, preferably long sockets to go over these studs too. Obviously power tools make everything a lot quicker.